time for
Cooking with the stars. So first you need to cut it all gently, like this.
you have to cut. It's cooking with nature. That's what it's called. Cooking with nature. We're gonna be cooking leaves, and we're gonna be making. We're gonna be making leaves.
What ain't you busy?
Leaves stew. So you have to cut up some leaves. That's it. What happened? You want more leaves? Okay. You want a pine leaf?
No,
Just
that's
regular
too
leaf?
short for her. Here.
That leaf. Okay.
Don't
Alright.
whine, ask for it.
Now we can put it in your cup.
You don't have to want for everything in it.
Oh,
That's
your
what
cup
I
fell
said,
gray.
Gray.
Your cup fell gray. I'm gonna get it. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's under the deck. Oh, I'm gonna go get it.
Okay.
Whoop. Actually, I can't get it. So me and Gray are
Why,
gonna
where
share
is it?
It's right under.
Okay, guys. First
wanna
you
get
need to
it?
cut up your pine
You think I can
needle,
get it?
like this.
That should go like
To make it all nice and fresh. Make it smell like piney and look sweet and stuff. And like candy. Yum, pine candy. Yeah. No.
Yeah, but this is not edible for humans. I'm gonna be cutting up this leaf, okay, Gray?
Okay.
If your leaf breaks, you just throw it on the grass. Mostly you would do this outside.
Look at all the pine stuff that's
Oh my gosh. That's pine juice. Like leaves has juice, and that's all the water.
If you're in the wild, you need a pine scent, and you need to suck up all that stuff in it.
Well,
to make
that-
it like candy for dessert.
Well, that would be disgusting, Gray. That would be disgusting.
I tried it one day.
I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna get a pine leaf.
Get more leaves too.
Okay.
Get more.
I'm gonna
other
go get
leaves.
some more leaves. So
Just get
Okay.
leaves and just put it.
I'm gonna go get some more leaves. Okay, Gray? You keep chopping up that.
All right, now guys, you keep doing your thing, and I'm gonna videotape Abby, and she's gonna tell some tips about like what good leaves are there. So
Okay.
yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. Good. Keep an eye
Yeah,
on it,
I'm the
okay?
guy. Here, I was videotaping. I was also cooking stuff too here, but I'm gonna be starting my own YouTube channel. I don't know when I get my iPod,
Okay.
but yeah. So here's Ivy.
Okay. If you have a pine tree like I do, in the fall, like it's October, it's the starting of October. The pine cones haven't come in yet. So, but really, you want pine leaves, like this pine leaf. That's pretty good.
Wait, how do you change the view to like looking that way?
You don't if you change that way. So then you could just tear off them, and it won't hurt, but it might prick you. Okay,
Wait,
so let's go.
after Abby does this, or once it reaches 5 minutes, then we're gonna stop and then do a new episode.
Okay, so let's do this. This tree, I like the leaves because they're nice and colorful. It's okay if it's broken, so you use the other side. It would be nice to get big, juicy ones, like really, really big ones, like this one. That was really easy.
How juicy this is. Oh, juicy. Yeah.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.